Next year tonight, should workers who earn tips on the job have to pay federal taxes on that income? There's an idea floating around Capitol Hill to end that practice, but it involves a pretty big pot of money. Using the most recent year available, the IRS reports that in 2018, Americans reported $38 billion in tips on their federal tax documents. Of the 6 million people who reported tips, the average tipped income was $6,000. So tonight, I'm giving a voice to those who would be impacted by or have a role in changing this tax policy. You'll hear from staff at a restaurant in the South Towns, plus a federal lawmaker who could ultimately vote to end taxes on tips.
It's just always different every day, something different.
Kara Kleinfelder has been a server at Butera's Craft Beer and Pizza in Hamburg for 6 years. She tells me she's in favor of the proposal from the Trump administration to eliminate federal taxes on tips.
More money. Well, and it's just more like going to the bank to try to get a loan and all that. Like, it looks like you're making more because you're able to claim it without being worried about it all being taxed out.
I think it's an idea that's time has come.
The No Tax on Tips Act was among the many topics Tuesday at a roundtable discussion with the Western New York Restaurant Association, hosted by Congressman Nick Langworthy, who supports the proposal.
If people, get a gratuity because of the generosity of their patrons, because they went that extra mile, they shouldn't have extra penalties on that and be concerned that they're going to get hit harder on taxes. This, I think, will put more money on the street because these people are going to spend it on raising their families, increasing their quality of life.
Initially I was a little apprehensive, but at the end of the day, I think it helps put money in the pockets of our workforce, which is so important.
Jimmy Butera, the owner of Butera's in Hamburg, was among the restaurant owners represented Tuesday and tells me he had questions about the impact of the No Tax on Tips Act heading into the roundtable.
As the employee's not paying any money in taxes, what does that do if to unemployment if they have to come down that road or not? They assured me that that's not going to be a case.
The restaurant owners brought up some concerns as what does that mean for the back of the house, the people that are cooking, the busing. Those are details that need to be ironed out.
Do you see it being successful?
I do see it being successful. It's something that I think has broad support across our conference. Obviously you have to iron out the details as to how exactly is it implemented.
Congressman Langworthy tells me the details on exactly how the No Tax on Tips Act will potentially be implemented will continue to be worked on in the coming months. We'll stay on top of it for you.